legend of Osman continues. A new season begins. Season 6 ended with blood, betrayal, and the dawn of a new threat. Season 7 is expected to premiere in October 2025. Osman will march toward new horizons, Bithynia, Ursa, and beyond. The Byzantine Empire sharpens its swords. Rivals stir within the tribe.
This is our only path.
Then we will march on the capital.
Love and loyalty will be tested. Family secrets may surface. A shadow rises darker and more ruthless than before. Osman returns with his fiercest warriors, and perhaps a few ghosts. With over 30 awards and global acclaim, the saga is far from over. The countdown begins. Subscribe for updates. The Bey returns.